Luigi. Okay, it works. Let's start. Why am I doing it this late? I don't know. Oh no. Hey Siri, how much time left until 12 a.m.? It's 4 hours. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 hour.
1 hour.
Okay,
Starting now.
we have 1 hour. We have to study how Jumanji works and Trumanology. Those things are very important. Why did I not change the thumbnail? Why did I not do anything? Because, come on, it's too much. And another thing is, there's no point. Because most of the time I will change it and then don't do anything. The coffee is really nice. So time is going way too fast, and I watched two Rick and Mortys, which was nice. But yeah, let's go. Is my chat working? Yes. Is my thing working? Everything's working. Who needs music? I'm not getting music. Alright, this was an easy problem, yeah. Okay, let's go back. This was also trapezoid, which is I know what's. I need to. Someone did answer in Discord how to do that, but I need to be like Rick and Morty for real, but not Morty. Okay, Okay, bro. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, in a circle with center 0. Okay, it's O actually. The measurement of the central angle AOB is 120. Okay, and the radius of the circle is 3. Okay, what is the length of AB? Okay, so I remember doing this. So a circle is pi r squared. Okay, now we know the pi, which is 3, I think.
Hmm?
I said 3, not Siri. And the radius of the circle is 3. Alright, that's the pi. But it won't show us because if we don't do that, and boom, for some reason it works like that. Alright, and 120. So 360, 120 divided by 360. Now this gives us the thing. We don't use pi. It's 3. 3 pi? No, it's not 3. Even though it's 3 pi. 120 divided by 360. Yeah. Times. Wait, I did not click on degrees mode. Oh, that did absolutely nothing. Okay, or did it? Wait, I didn't see pi. Yeah, okay, never mind. Did absolutely nothing. Was it not 3 pi? Okay, I think I'm doing something wrong. To find something, it's so pi r squared. Okay, that's the pi. But we remove the pi because pi is already in the answer choice. Okay, another thing is we do 120 divided by 360. Okay, and r is 3. Okay, now we get 3. Oh, we have to find the circumstance. Okay, we have to, I forgot to find the circumstance, or C, I don't know. 2 pi r. It's 2 pi r. Okay. That 2 pi r, and r is 3. Or you could just say, oh my goodness, or you could just say r, which is 53. This abomination. But if you think about it, do we need the pi? Because the answer has pi, so we don't need the pi. Boom, it's 18. The circumstance is 18. Meaning, if you do 120 divided by 360 times pi r squared, r times 2. I forgot everything I just did. Okay, wait. Okay, 18. Oh my goodness, stop it. Okay, 18. So the circumstance C equal 18. Okay, now we don't need this nor this. Okay, the whole circle is 18, meaning 120 divided by 360 times 18 gives us 6, which is 6 pi. Pi r squared. Let's actually think for a bit. In a circle with center 0 or O, the measurement of the central angle AOB. Okay, let's actually like draw it a little bit. So in a circle, so this is the circle, and so let's just identify that as a dot. This AOB. So AOB could be like AOB. Okay, this is A, right? And this is O. Oh, yeah, O is in the middle and B. And in the middle, it says it's 120. Okay, and this whole thing is 360, and the radius of the circle is 3, so this is 3, this is 3. Now it's saying what is the length of the mirror arc? What do you mean mirror? What is the length of mirror arc AB? So here to here, do you want to know here to here, or do you want to know the inside? I think he said what is the length of the mirror arc. So he doesn't want to know the area inside. He just want to know the outside. I think I know. Okay, to find this first we need the circumstance, which is 2 pi r squared. Okay, 2 pi r squared. Now what is r? R is 3. So we got everything. Should we keep the pi? Let's just keep the pi. Okay. Now we found the excuse me. Now we found the whole circumstance of this whole circle. Okay, what else? What do we need to do now? Now we use that circumstance, and because the circumstance is 100%, we do 120. Wait, no. Oh yeah. 360 times. You know what? Let's just label this whole thing B. B. It's gonna give us this. But then if we do pi, oh, f pi. It's 6. It's 6. The answer is 6. Okay, let's even make it not confusing, okay? 12 times this is that, okay? But it has the pi. So let's do this whole thing, and a divided by pi, which gives us 6. Or do we don't want the pi? Wait, think about it. It's 18, so 3 pi is this. 4 pi is 12. 6 pi. 2 pi? I have no idea. Okay, should it be 2 or 4? It's 2. See, anyway. But, let me turn the brightness up, bro. Oh my goodness, it's so bright. Okay. Yeah, let's like clear this up because I have no idea why it's 2 pi. 2 pi. Arc lengths equal same fraction of the circumstance as the angle of a full circle. With radius r equals 3 and the circumstance 2 pi r equals 6 pi. Yeah. And since 120 is 1/3 of 360, wait. Wait. So you're telling me, okay, let's do this one by one. This is circle, and the oh, and then yeah, you know the deal already. So this is like A, this is O, and this is B. But that's a bad B. Okay, but yeah, over here is a 120. Yo, I'm so good at drawing. Okay, 120. Okay, degrees. 120 degrees, not area. 120 degrees. Now we wanna know from here to here. How long is it? Now the formula. Where's the formula? 2 pi r only gives us the outside part. 2 pi r, which r is um r equals 3. So this is the circle. We get the circle. Now, now, now. Now because we got the circle and we got the pi, this is the circumstance, like the whole outside part. This is like the whole outside. What did he do? So now if we like do this, we get 18. We still didn't okay, now if we do 18 times 120 divided by 360, it gives us 6. Let me do. Oh, and obviously this is easy. Okay, arc length equals the same fraction of the circumference system. Well, radius r equals 3. The circumference is 2 pi r. Yeah. Oh no. No. Okay. Let's go with your logic. Okay. 2 pi r. Wait. Wait. It's 2 pi r, now 2 pi r squared. You're telling me. Oh my goodness. Please don't tell me. Please don't tell me. So I did everything right. The only wrong. Wait, let me check. Did I actually put 2 pi r? The square is wrong. Oh my god, I keep the square. Okay, I removed the square. Oh. Oh my god, I never removed the square. See, I'm trying so hard, and then this number causing the whole problem to be wrong. It's like, oh, and we're at the end. Oh, it doesn't even. Okay, I get what I did, and I get so I'm not like. What's the two? The square. You're telling me one number made the whole problem so difficult for me. 2 pi r, not 2 pi r squared, just 2 pi r. Okay, let's do this problem again. In a circle with center 0, this measurement of the central angle is 120 degrees, and the radius of the circle is 3. What is the length of AB? To find the length of AB, if you want to draw it, I mean, I draw it 10 times already, but bam, bam, bam. Okay, that's what we want. So, I'm not drawing the whole thing, but yeah. So we need to find the circumstance. It's 2 pi r, not 2 pi r squared, just 2 pi r. So 2 pi r, no square. Oh my god, I almost did the square. It's a habit. And what is radius? Radius is 3. Now because we found the whole radius of the whole circle. Um, we want to find only AB. So what do? We do the we turn into B, and B times 120 divided by 360 is this. But now we're like, oh, it doesn't go. But if you do 2 pi, or you can also, like, because the pi still is in there. Oh, I mean, you could just remove the pi. Boom. Okay, so I am wrong. I understand my mistake. Yes, I am wrong. I understood what I did wrong. Ah, I want to see what hints he gave me. Question 4. First, think about the circumstance. Yes, I did that. Yeah, he didn't even know what I did wrong. Alright, yeah, let's go. Alright, let's clear this thing up. I'm so good and okay. A lighthouse stand on the edge of a vertical cliff that is 50 meters above the sea. Okay. From a point at the sea level, directly offshore the base of the lighthouse, the angle of elevation of the base of the lighthouse at the top of the cliff is 30 degrees. And at the angle of elevation at the top of the lighthouse is 60 degrees. Okay, we have to use our imagination like Dora the Explorer. A lighthouse stands on the edge, okay? Edge of a vertical cliff. Okay, so this is the lighthouse. He's standing on the edge of the vertical. That is 50 meters. Okay, so from here to here. A vertical cliff that is 50 meters from the sea level. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is water. This is water, guys. Yeah, actually, give me. This is water. Yeah. Oh my god. What color was I using? Yellow. Okay. Okay, where am I? Where am I? From where am I? From a point at sea level directly offshore from the base of the lighthouse, the angle of elevation to the base of the lighthouse at the top of the cliff is 30 meters. But from where? From a point at sea level, okay, so from here, directly offshore from the base. Do you mean here? Of the lighthouse, the angle of elevation of the lighthouse and the angle of elevation to top of the lighthouse is 60. Base of the lighthouse, the cliff. Is the lighthouse on a cliff or is that lighthouse on a water? A lighthouse stands on the edge of a vertical cliff that is 50 meters above sea level. Okay, I'm wrong. I was right. Okay, so this is the lighthouse. Yes, very, very beautiful. Is the and this is okay. Let's just imagine. Okay, this cliff. Oh my goodness, this cliff is like above water. Okay, is 50 meters for some reason. That's a big cliff. Okay, the lighthouse stand on the edge of a vertical cliff that is 50 meters above sea level. Okay, from a point at sea level directly offshore from the base, the lighthouse, the angle of elevation. Why is it even asking? What is the height of the lighthouse in meters? Okay, from a, excuse me, from a point at sea level directly offshore at the base of the lighthouse, The angle of elevation of the base, the angle of elevation to the base of the lighthouse at the top of the cliff is okay. So from here, if you look up, it's 30. Oh my god, that's such a bad 30. Undo, undo. If you look up here to here, it's 30 for some reason. And if you look from here to here, obviously it's gonna be 60. Yeah, 60. Wait, so it's doubled? But you can't assume that because that's what Isity wants. Okay, so uh the angle and the angle of elevation to the top, the angle of elevation to the top of the lighthouse is 60. Mm-hmm. What is the height of the lighthouse? How would I? Oh, I mean, we did get 50 meters. Cliff is 50 meters above the sea. Okay. From a point at sea level directly offshore of the lighthouse, the angle of elevation to the base of the lighthouse at the top of the cliff. The angle of elevation. Elevations mean this big green thingy. Okay. The angle of elevation to the base of the lighthouse at the top of the cliff is 30. So yeah, 30. And the angle of elevation to the top of the lighthouse. Yo, this guy who made this, um, I wish he has a happy birthday or she. Okay. What is the height of the lighthouse? Okay. Okay. So this is easy. I was just trying to read it and understand the question. So 60 with 50 here, and then do this, and then do 30. Yeah, and then put a H. It's 25. Okay, never mind. I don't know how to do this. Oh wait, degrees. Yes. Yeah, that won't do anything. But hmm, 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 hmm. Let's try another one. If it's not this. Oh, look at that. It's 100. Oh, I'm so good at reading. I mean, obviously the 61 will be bigger than the 31. Or is it? Or is it? I am so bad at reading. Okay, let's try to translate it. Okay. This is like a note button. Where's the note? Can I make it bigger? I can. Oh, wait. It's kind of. What? Oh, you're back. Oh, so I can't. Oh, wait, I can. Oh, I can't. Okay. A lighthouse. Lighthouse. That's not how. Oh my god. Alright, lighthouse stands on the edge. You know what? Drawing is way better than planning. Um. So a lighthouse, which is orange. Yes. A light. Oh my lighthouse. Oh my days. Okay, a lighthouse. That's a lighthouse. Beautiful. Look at him. Look at him. He's shining light. What? Okay, that's a lighthouse. That's a horrible lighthouse. Kind of look like a torch, which is a lighthouse. So a lighthouse stands on the edge of a vertical cliff. What's a cliff? Let me look up what's a cliff. Actually, no. Will it show me pictures of a cliff if I do this? I don't think so. Wikipedia, show me pictures of cliff. Oh yeah, thank you. Oh, that's a cliff. Yo, I love Wikipedia. And I think Google or the goat. Same thing. Okay, that's a cliff. Thank you, Wikipedia. Um, a lighthouse stands on the edge of a vertical cliff that is 50 meters from the sea. Okay, so what is 50 meters from the sea? Not the lighthouse, but the cliff. But the cliff, okay? The cliff is 50 meters from this. So this to here is 50. All right, nice to know. From a point at sea level directly offshore. Okay, it says sea level. From a point at sea level directly offshore from the base of the lighthouse. Yeah, I think it's talking about like over here, like on the edge. Let's like what's the undo button? Undo. Oh, what does this do? That do absolutely nothing. Ooh, tiny pencil. Big pencil. Big pencil. Alright, what am I doing? How much time do I have left? 34 minutes? Oh no! From a point at sea level directly offshore from the base of the lighthouse, the angle of elevation to the base of the lighthouse at the top of the cliff is 30. So from here to the from this point at the sea level. Okay, so sea, we're at the sea. Directly offshore from the base of the lighthouse. I don't know what that means. Directly offshore from the base of the lighthouse. Okay, maybe still here. The angle of elevation to the base of the lighthouse at the top of the cliff is 30. The angle of elevation to the base. So the angle of elevation, so here to the base of the lighthouse, which is at the top of the cliff, is 30. Base is the bottom part, right? Wait, I have ChatGPT. I mean, not really ChatGPT. It's something even better than ChatGPT. Copilot. Give me that. Copilot. I need you to simplify this because I am a dumb guy who doesn't know how to translate English into English. It didn't copy the whole thing correctly. Copy. Point. Wait, why can I? Okay, nice. Can you help me translate this math question into an imagery step by step? I am not good at English for real. Okay, where's the cat? I heard the cat. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't think you can see this. That's why. Can you even see this? Actually, no. It doesn't even matter if you see this. Question to turn into a picture. Let's translate it slowly. The setting: ocean plus cliff plus lighthouse. Imagine you're on a boat in the ocean, looking towards land. Ocean, flat water surface, sea level. Cliff, a vertical rock wall rising straight up. Lighthouse, built on top of that cliff. So, water, ground level. Cliff, goes straight up 50 meters. Lighthouse stands on top of the cliff and goes even higher. Important points, give them names. Let's name these 3 points. Point A, you're on the boat at sea level. Point B, you're on the top of the cliff. And point C, the lighthouse. The distance and angle. For point A, the boat, you look up, angle of elevation to B, top of the cliff, is 30. Angle of elevation to C, top of the lighthouse, 66. Also, the cliff height from the water is 50. We don't know how far the boat is from the cliff. That's what I was saying. How tall is the lighthouse is from B to C. That's all we want. Turn into triangles. Yeah, I know that, but I just want translating it. Yeah, okay. So I read it, and AI said from. Okay, you know what? Let's use like a red. From here to here. Oh wait, we're on a boat. So let's say we're here. Okay, from here to here, 30. Oh no! Wait, undo. Oh my goodness, undo doesn't work. Okay, we now know how to do. You know what? Let's just do it really fast. Um, yo, stop. Let's use white because the background is black. So this is the lighthouse. It's being very lighty. Oh, you saw that? You saw that curve? Okay, this is the lighthouse. Boing. Yeah, doing its light thingy. Doing its light thingy. Oh, okay. And this is a cliff. That's the lighthouse on. Okay. And this is the water. Yes, nice water. Now you, for some reason, on a boat looking at the land. Okay. As you're looking, it's 30 degrees. You somehow know it's 30 degrees from looking at the land. Wow, so nice. Oh yeah, and don't forget, from here to here, it's 50 meters. Okay, and above sea level. From a point at sea level directly offshore. Offshore means you're like randomly somewhere. From the base of the lighthouse, the angle of elevation to the base of the lighthouse at the top of the cliff is 30 meters.
They're up the window.
Okay, nice. Make sure, Mari, make sure they don't touch
the one that has
the curtains.
Oh.
Offshore of the lighthouse. Okay, yeah. The angle of elevation to the base of the lighthouse. Oh. Base of the light. Oh wait, I already read that. It's 30, yes. And the angle of elevation to the top of the lighthouse is 60. Oh, so we're in the same place. We just did this, and this is 60. Oh wait, no, that's not a 6. Where's my undo button? I almost clicked on clear. Oh my goodness. 60. So we're looking at, oh, I didn't know. And the angle of elevation to the top of the lighthouse is 60 degrees. What is the height of a lighthouse? Now this makes sense because I thought we were doing bottom to that, but no, we're actually like here. So if we do 30 degrees, it's 50 meters. So if we do 60 degrees, how many meters? It's 100. See, it even gave me the right answer first try. I didn't even have to change it. Oh, I have to poo. How much time do I have? 27 minutes. That's perfect to poo. Let's do this last question because I'm a workaholic, bro. In the triangle ABC, is it the right triangle? No, it's just a triangle. Triangle would be C. The internal angle bisectors of B and C intersects at the point of I. The internal angle bisector of B and C intersects at point I. If A equals 44, okay. I'm still trying to understand what I just read. What is BIC? BIC. Okay. So they like come here and then they go here, and this is I. I love how they make this normal triangle into a difficult triangle. The internal angle bisects of B and C, 6 at point I. Intercept at I. The internal angles bisect vectors of B and C intercept at point I. Okay, BIC. Hmm, 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 hmm. I love. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. If we find I don't know. If we find C and B and we divide them by two, then we find these two, and then we can find this. If 44, it then say the right triangle. Triangle. It's not a square. A triangle. Um, you know what? I'm so locked in. My poop went away. The intersect angle bisector of B and C intersects at one point. Yeah, that's I. If A equals 44, what is BIC? BIC. Huh. You know what? Let's draw this better because it's kind of like bam. Okay, bam. Oh wait, I didn't even turn it on. Bam, bam, bam. Triangle. A, B, C. You know what? Wait. Before we do this, let me see. This is a bisector. Let me look up what it looks like because one drawing, it could be right, it could also be wrong. Of an triangle. Triangle? Triangle. Triangle. Oh, never mind. Oh yeah, this is so easy. Okay. How would I know? Stop with this vocab. Okay, activate it. So it goes here, okay, which makes this a right angle, which makes this same. So meaning this gets split. So 44 becomes 22. Yo, I'm so good at math. I just divided 44 by 2 and it's obvious. It's simple math. So this is 22. You know what? I should use like a different color. And this is 22. And this is 50. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's easy. Wait. What is BIC? Wait, this is I, right? BIC. I think I looked it up wrong. Um, well, let me tell my trusty AI. Um, let's see. Can you generate an image which visualize? I don't know how to spell visualize. Visualize the this problem. Okay, nice. I seen this AI. It can for somehow can. Um, I regret. Oh wait. For a second, I thought it made something bad, but never mind. Never mind. It made something. Oh wait. What? I regret what I'm gonna say, but I mean, you're right. I mean, I'm not gonna. Hmm. So what it draw? Okay, wait. Let me. Actually, no. There's no point of me showing. Okay. What it draw was. Um. I mean that works. The triangle. triangle, triangle B. This is my third time drawing the same angle. It showed that the eye is in the middle and it says I. And then go from here to here. I don't know how that works, but alright. But it does make sense though. BIC. So yeah. Um let's make that yellow. I like the yellow color. It's beautiful. Um so if A equals 44, meaning this is 22 and this is 22, then we need to find this and this. How am I gonna find BIC? Um, I need to. Hmm. My brain. It's not brain. None of these are the right angle, right? Could wait. Let me see. Really? Okay. So AI said this angle is related to this angle for some reason, and this angle, aka the same thing, is related to this angle, making it an isosceles angle. Meaning, 180 minus 22 minus 22, which makes this, which would make both of this 120. If both of these are 120 and in the middle is 360, so 136, 136, is it 88? Or, yeah, it's 88. Never mind, it's not 88. Now I have no hopes on AI or myself. Point I is where the international angle of B and C meet. What special what special point of A is this? What special point of the triangle is this? And what does that tell you about the smaller angles at B and C that I involved? I don't know, bro. Okay, wait. I've been trying for 10 minutes. Let's see the answer. It's 112. I was nowhere close 112. Where did you get 112 from? Please show me a picture of the triangle. It obviously doesn't. Oh, in decimals. 90? Oh! Wait! Oh my god, this is my fourth time drawing the same triangle. This could have been B, and this could have been A, B, and this could have been C. And the line here, wait, that would make I mean 90, which is also wrong. Yeah, I'm out of ideas. Oh my goodness. What is palm? Okay, you know, boing. Oh, boing. Yeah. Okay. Cat, get out of my room. I will eat you. Buddy, get the cat out of my room.
Yeah, you have to close the door.
Oh, okay. I will close the door. I won't touch the door with the cat hands. How do you even do this? Wait. B and C meets at the intersection, and any triangle, the angle between the two equals 90 plus 1/2. A 44 gives. Wait, did you really just do 180 minus 44? No, because that would give you this. And you can't do 44 again because, yeah, wait, I didn't check. Okay, yeah. 90 plus, wait, 90 plus 1/2 of A. 90 plus 1/2 um times 44 um which is still 9. Oh wait, move. How do you, oh no, how do you get rid of this big? Oh, it's gone. Okay, nice. It's 112, but why did we do 1/2? There was no point of doing 1/2. um okay, so the triangle was here. Oh my goodness. um Bisects at B and C meets at the in, in center, and any trigger at the angle between these 90 plus 1/2 of A. Wait, are you saying the triangle was this? Wait, why can I not use it? Oh, um, okay. Are you saying? Oh my goodness, that's a big chungus. Okay, are you saying the triangle was this whole time, middle, and this was A, this was B, and this was C, and I mean that's a bad C, but and this was I, meaning this 90-degree here, and making and because this was 22, you find C. But that's not what we're trying to look for. We were looking for I, and I is technically 180. BIC is 180. Um, Let me read it. Bisected B and C. Move. 90 plus 1/2 of so 90 plus 22, which gives this. But that can't be the answer. Because, okay, 44 divided by 2, which is 22. 22 plus 90 is 112. But that, yo, okay, wait, let me take a screenshot of this. Now I have to poo. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's see step by step. Since I is the intersection of the internal angle. Yo, I have to poo so much now. Okay, I will be back real quick. Oh my goodness.